Some of you may know that I'm developing a MIDI system for Fender Rhodes pianos and others. And today's the day where I start to install this system the very first time in the Fender Rhodes piano. Stay tuned. Here we got the PCB. It has the sensors mounted and the microcontroller. And the very first step is to get the location of the sensors to the keys. So I have to know where to mount the magnets to the keys. So this is the first challenge I'm facing. But I have an idea already, as you can see. There's a little tool I made, and this can be plugged in on the PCB. And then you put the key on top, press it down, and then you get this little mark here. This is the perfect location for the magnet mount to be. So this is the magnet mount. Underneath this layer there's a magnet. Here it is, glued in. And so this is now perfectly aligned, and the magnet is sitting perfectly over the sensor. Now, as you can see, I've added 2 holes, and this is for a reason, because sometimes you may need to move the magnet to the side to perfectly align it with the sensor. So now you have the option to make this movement, and if you're fine with it, then put in the second screw and you're done. So now I have 2 keys installed, and the magnet mounts are also installed, and it makes sense to have the monitor running while installation, because here you can see at first sight if the magnets are aligned well. The next logical step would be putting all the magnet mounts to the keys and find the perfect position for the first PCB. Okay, so here we go. I've installed all the magnets on the upper 16 keys, and as we can see, everything works very well. We will always have more range with the black keys because of the treble. But as I said, it's no problem. We're working here with 16-bit resolution, and 10,000 steps per key is more than enough to calculate accurate velocity. So the next logical step would be installing all the PCBs underneath the keypad and all the magnets to the keys. So I've now installed the upper 32 keys, mounted the sensor PCB underneath and the magnets to the keys. So this step is done for the upper 32 keys, and now we can go to the calibration tab and calibrate the keys, which is easy. Star Wizard. Now he takes all the values coming from the sensors as the resting position, and now I have to press every key firmly, so he knows where the key starts and where the key ends. Calibration completed. Close. So as you can see, the sensors are now green, and I can start to play. And now I could go to the velocity tab, change the velocity curve to a more exponential type. I can set the overall gain, the black key gain, to adjust the sensitivity of the black keys.